Yo, what's up guys? It's me Borys and welcome in today's trade recap. Today I took one break-even trade and I unfortunately missed the best setup of the day. That would have been a win. We'll go over today's price action and also why I took this trade and why I managed it the way I did. So, going into today's day, I was, very bullish. We are nearly breaking all-time highs. Um, and at market open, I wanted to see some sort of manipulation to the downside and then I wanted to target this high, but at market open we manipulated higher and we also created some sort of SMT, I think. Um, let's check. Nah, we actually didn't. Okay. Um, from there, I was willing to take some shorts if we get an internal model. Right here, I wanted to see manipulation or SMT. I was really looking for SMT to create here on yes, and then looking for inversion for value gap to enter, but we never get any sort of manipulation, therefore I didn't enter anything. Um, then we had a clear drawn liquidity being those equal lows and those equal lows on ES. We swept, oops, we swept it. Um, we manipulated again, uh, we came back to this 15 minutes for value gap, and right here, I went to toilet and I was away, for a couple of minutes. I was at the charts like right here, and honestly, I should have taken it even with, worse feel, but I didn't do it. I waited for an ES to inverse this 2 minute for value gap, and yeah, like Nasdaq looked way better. Nasdaq looked way more bullish. I knew that Nasdaq would have better price action, but I still, wanted to wait a little bit, blah blah blah. And yeah, I entered on, oops, I entered on ES. Once we inverse this 2 minute right here, stop loss at this body candle, and I was targeting just 1.2 risk to reward. But what I was really looking for was for Nasdaq to take this buy side, and then I would, close it earlier. Um, and also at this 15 minutes for value gap, I got my break-even point. So it was a really good trade. Mm, I'm kind of mad that I didn't, capitalize on this move because it was like perfect A plus setup. Mm, yeah, I was away from the charts for a couple minutes and then this setup occurred, so I guess it's on my side. Um, I still like this setup though. I think it was a good trade, and I am ending the week, up 60 bucks, I think. Um, and yeah, that's everything for today, and see you in the next week. Yo.